Hi guys, happy Diwali. You guys must be expecting a Diwali related video here on my channel, but let me tell you, I'm already done with all of my festive videos probably like a week ago. From fashion, beauty, makeup, skincare, even photography, everything is done and dusted. And my mom is like कि तू ready बाद में होइयो, अपनी अलमारी सही कर ले पहले. And here I have this beauty with me. In this bag I have all of my winter outfits. Yes, you guys must be thinking just one bag. Yeah, I am a summery person. I have like 2 to 3 wardrobes filled with just summer outfits and just one bag with winter outfits. So let's open this beauty together. Yes, I'm gonna force you into this because you subscribed for this, and even if you haven't, it's okay. I mean, you're already here. Hi. Can you imagine one day before Diwali, I'm sitting in a basic t-shirt doing this? You can be influencer all you want, but मम्मी के सामने तुम्हारी नहीं चलने वाली है, मैं बता रही हूँ. So let me tell you, I only have these winter clothes. Like इसके अलावा I don't own anything. So it's like me exposing myself and I'm all fine with it. Okay, so I have this huge jacket. It's in size, wait, let me tell you, it's in size double XL. Can you imagine why did my father do this with me? ये मैंने ली थी 9th या 10th स्टैंडर्ड में. वाई डबल एक्सल? आई मीन आई जस्ट डोंट गेट इट. उन्हें क्या लग रहा था कि कितनी बड़ी या कितनी बड़ी हो जाऊंगी. एनीवे, दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. ये अभी भी इतनी लंबी है, बट दिस इज़ वे टू वॉर्म. ओ माई गॉड, आई हैव बोन इट इन एवरी स्कूल ट्रिप ऑफ माइन, एंड उसके बाद भी जितनी भी मैंने कॉलेज ट्रिप्स या खुद से भी ट्रिप्स लिए हैं, दिस इज़ जस्ट परफेक्ट फॉर माउंटेन्स. एंड दिल्ली में ज़्यादा नहीं चलती क्योंकि इतनी ठंड नहीं पड़ती, बट परफेक्ट फॉर ट्रिप्स एंड एवरीथिंग. लव द कैप. This is so nice. This is fur. Obviously, love the color. It's heavy. I'm telling you, and it's from Madame. बहुत ज़्यादा expensive थी, and I was like, पापा are you sure कि मुझे ये चाहिए? एंड पापा कह रहे थे को बहुत काम आएगी, एंड ही वॉज एक्चुअली राइट. दिस इज स्टिल फाइन फॉर मी. मतलब ये बहुत सही है, से कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है, मस्त चल रही है यार. नेक्स्ट आई हैव दिस ह्यूज पीस ऑफ रग. कैन यू like tell it's a jacket? Yes, it's a jacket, which by the way my mom does not like at all. I guess it's because she likes me more in cute summery outfits. She's the reason why I'm actually in this career. She's the most supportive and encouraging person ever, and she does not like me in this huge bada bhari bhari kapda. But anyway, how do I look? I mean, I got this one from Sarojini, randomly found it in a pile of clothes for like I don't know 50 or 100 rupees. मुझे तब लगा था it looks like Zara. ये बहुत गर्म है, like it's way too warm and I just love it. मुझे बहुत पसीने आ रहे हैं अभी. Also guys, today's video is possible by Kama Ayurveda, which is an Indian beauty brand with 100% natural and authentic products. Now we all face skin concerns somewhere in our life, like pigmentation, uneven skin tone, dark circles, acne spots, dark spots and whatnot. But let me tell you, it's totally fine. I mean, we've all been there. These are the concerns which we all face somewhere in our life, and you need to relax first, because to solve these skin concerns, the brand has actually sent me their Kumkumadi Miraculous Beauty Fluid Ayurvedic Night Serum. This product is actually a treatment leave-on nighttime skincare essential which will help repair and reduce pigmentation, uneven skin tone, fine lines, acne spots, dark circles and whatnot. And guys, let me tell you, it's very important to anyway follow a proper nighttime skincare routine to take care of your skin. So the first step is cleansing, and for that they sent me their Rose Jasmine Face Cleanser, which is a perfect hydrating face wash filled with natural ingredients which gently and thoroughly clean skin and remove light makeup. Its fresh and fragrant cleanser contains the pure essential oils of rose and jasmine to keep skin soft and clear without drying. And the next step is using their pure rose water as a toner. It's an incredible facial toner which balances and restores skin's pH level and helps tighten pores. This toner helps the serum seep into the skin evenly. And the final step is using their serum, which by the way is 100% natural and dermatologically tested, which will help you solve all of your skincare concerns. And as I mentioned, following a proper nighttime skincare routine is very important, and that kind of helps us achieve the skin of our dreams. And for that, I'm linking this Kumkumadi Miraculous Beauty Fluid Ayurvedic Night Serum in description box down for you guys, so do check that out. Moving on, I have this cute beret which I just randomly got from H&M. Sale चल रहा था and I was with Bhavna last to last year. We were shopping for her birthday, but I ended up shopping for myself and she got nothing. That's just me. That's how best friends work. This is just a random thing which is just lying around in my closet. I rarely wear this because it's just weird. People just stare at you so much. But anyway, for videos and photo shoots, I just love it. That kind of helps me bring another kind of Sonia out in front of the camera. So yeah, it's fine. Next, I have these two jackets. I keep wearing them in almost every of my winter photograph or video, and these are like way old. I still have them from my college days, and you guys keep asking me कि ये कहाँ से ली कहाँ से ली. Let me tell you, I did not buy it from anywhere. These were actually given to me by one of my cousins. We do this like अगर किसी को पसंद नहीं आया कुछ या कोई बोर हो गया, so we keep exchanging our clothes. We are like that. And ये थोड़ा सा fit आ रहा है because of gym, I guess. आर्म से थोड़ा tight हो गया है. Okay, anyway, love it so much. This is this one jacket which I have worn even in my events, like main blogging events, and I still don't know कि ये कौन से brand का है because no brand is mentioned पीछे. I have no idea, but I love how artistic and fun it looks. So happy. I have one more. It's a checkered jacket with animal print design going on from the inside. Again, it's a very old one. ये ऊपर से बहुत harsh है. I mean, it's very pokey, so don't come nearby if you see me wearing this someday. But अंदर से it's very soft, so इतना पता नहीं चलता. And again, I've been wearing it since my college days. This is fine. I mean, this fits nice. वो थोड़ा tight हो गया है, but anyway, अभी तो मैं बहुत funny लग रही हूँ. Next, I have this very cute sweater from Shein, which is no longer anymore. This is like the first and the only sweater which I own from that brand, and it was actually a gift from them. So I was like, okay, let me try it once and then probably I'll order more. And तब तक मैंने सोच के and अपने कार्ट में wish list बना के तब तक summer आ चुकी थी. So this is like the only sweater which I have from them, but this is way too soft. Oh my god, this feels like heaven. And मैं इसे पूरे टाइम पहने रखती हूँ winters में. It's like I just don't feel like coming out of it. It's so nice. It feels home. It feels warm. It's way comfy. Next I have this my favorite long coat which I actually got from Chor Bazaar. Yes, that's true. So I've been to Chor Bazaar only once and तभी मैंने लिया था, and probably this time if I'm going again, I'm going to be shopping more. Let me know if you guys want me to make a video about it. I don't know. I mean, they don't have like a lot of clothes there. It was just one or two stalls, तो उसी पे से मैंने ले लिया था. It was probably like 100 or 150 rupees. It is so nice. It looks so nice. It looks very posh and elegant. I have created so many looks with this one, and you guys have loved them, like loved every picture and video of it. And this is very lightweight. It looks long. It's very lightweight, perfect for every occasion. Like you can dress it up or dress it down in them. Then I have two of my basic high neck sweaters. This is in red, which I recently got from Friday Market, Weekly Local Market, and this I don't remember मैंने कहाँ से लिया था. I also have one in white. वो मुझे अभी मिल नहीं रहा है. I have no idea where that is. Probably I'll find it later on. But these are just basics, only two, which I keep wearing all of the winter. Like when I feel like कि मैं क्या पहनूँ, I just wear them and I'm just good to go. I just keep layering them and that's it. That's my winter style in one line. I got blanket PJs. These are something which you will find anywhere, like in any local market, and I got it from Kamla Nagar, ऐसे from a random stall. This is so soft. This is like a bear hugging you. This is how it looks like. These are so comfy. I love them. Like probably if you are seeing me in a market someday, chances are you will see me in these. Like I'm all fine with dressing up like this and going out. I mean, that's how we usually dress up. So Why not? I also have some cute clothes like this skirt which I got from Sarojini Nagar, way old, like way too old, probably like 4 years ago. I don't remember. And this one was only priced at 20. Can you believe it? I got it from Monday Market. Monday को वहाँ पे sale लगती है early morning, and from there I got this one. Randomly picked it. घर आके I checked the size and everything, and it fit fine. That time I don't know if it's gonna fit anymore. Anyway, love it so much. I wear leggings inside it. I also have leggings. Wait, let me show you. Okay, so I haven't shown you any bottoms apart from this skirt, and iske andar bhi I wear these warm black leggings every time. Like even inside these pajamas I wear these leggings. Like I'm always cold. मुझे बहुत जल्दी ठंड लगती है, and I'm always cold. Like अभी भी people in Delhi are like क्या ठंड थोड़ी ना हो रही है, and I'm like in my jackets and sweaters. It's crazy. And I have like 2-3 pairs of these black warm leggings, and I just wear them and layer my pants or jeans on top of it, and that's how I survive in winters even in Delhi. Yes. मंडे मार्केट से मुझे एक और अपना लॉन्ग जैकेट मिला है. Again 20 rupees. I guess I showed this one in one of my vlogs also. It's crazy, man. Look, so fancy, so nice, so stylish, and inside you have this warm alag se material which you can remove also, and then it will turn into a summer coat. I mean, mind blowing. Sarojini, hats off. Next I am left with, oh my god, it's so itchy. I'm left with all of my Sarojini sweaters. This is one of them, and I now remember कि मैं ऐसे क्यों इतना नहीं पहन रही थी, and why you guys have never seen it in any of my photos or videos, because this is so itchy. Why did not I try it the moment I got it? I'm not liking it. So there's a reason why I shop winter outfits, especially from Sarojini. Like summer outfits, so I keep buying from here and there, and I also experiment with different online shopping sites and everything. But Sarojini में winter stuff का पता है क्या सीन होता है? They are way too cheap and बहुत ही अच्छे quality and cute चीज़ें मिलती है. So why would not you want to buy from there? And winter outfits and sweaters and jackets बहुत expensive आते हैं यार. Like I mean I buy from there, but बहुत ही ऐसे limited देख के like wish list बना के. But Sarojini में I buy like daily वाला thing, because yeah, I mean why spending so much? You feel me, right? And not only Sarojini, I also buy from local markets which are nearby my place. Earlier when I was a kid now, so I was a spoiled kid, you can say. So I would only buy from malls, and I don't know, later in my life what happened with me, I was like ये चीज़ भी क्यूट लग रही है, मम्मा देखो ये भी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. एंड आई स्टार्टेड शॉपिंग फ्रॉम, यू नो हाउ नॉर्मल पीपल डू, लाइक बहुत ही अच्छे से लोकल मार्केट में भी बहुत अच्छी चीज़ें मिलती है, एंड आई एम ऑब्सेस्ड. एंड दिस स्वेटर इज़ वन ऑफ द बायज विच आई गॉट फ्रॉम सम लाइक मार्केट विच इज़ वे क्लोज टू माई हाउस. लाइक अभी भी है वो शॉप, एंड दिस इज़ सो सॉफ्ट, एंड दिस इज़ समथिंग विच यू गाइज ऑलवेज आस्क मी कहाँ से लिया, एंड या जस्ट you know, normally locally. And one more way how I like wearing it is as ulta, like you know, backside front manner, and पीछे से it has a zipper, so I will just zip it and my new style is ready. And by spoiled I mean my parents would do everything for me, like how every parent do things for their kids. I mean you're a kid, but as you grow up you learn responsibilities and practically how to behave in life. And guys, finally I'm just left with my basic daily wear sweaters from Sarojini only. First I have this pink one, 100 rupees. Like कुछ भी 100-150 से ज़्यादा का नहीं है, let me tell you, ठीक है. And then I have this one. It has a collar attached with it, and ये बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे इसमें holes हैं. I mean you cannot see it, I don't know, so you have to wear something inside. Again, love it. Everything is oversized. I mean किसी ने notice किया? I was so ashamed of my skinny body. Like I would buy every oversized clothing item possible, but slowly as I'm, you know, accepting myself more, let's see क्या transition आने वाला है मेरे wardrobe में. But anyway, then I have another oversized sweater. It has a very nice neck going on. It's written Uniqlo in size small, probably the reason why I got it. Anyway, then I have another very nice powder pink sweater with It's like a short sweater, perfect for any event or party or any, casual formal event that you have at your office. Love it. Then I have this basic sweater with pearl detailing. That's इतना लंबा क्यों है? I'm gonna cut it and probably DIY it into something else later on. Ooh. This is like the oldest jacket. मैंने इसे कितने साल से नहीं पहना. Wait, this I got with this jacket which I showed you initially. This I got together. I don't wear it. मुझे पता भी नहीं था मेरे पास है. Oh my god, I feel like I'm in school again. I used to wear this in my high school so much. Like मैं कहीं पे भी अपने friends के साथ मिल रही हूँ, McDonald's वगैरह में. This was like the only sweater I would wear. That's it. I have another one, and this one is from Madame actually, because I got that with that jacket only. This is again a Sarojini sweater, way big, man. Oh my god. It's a turtleneck, huge, so heavy. Sorry. And then finally I have another pink sweater, again obsessed with it. This is like a high-low sweater, crop sweater. Love wearing it all the time. Like last winter मैंने इसको पूरा अच्छे से पहना है. Half of my job is done. I've shown you everything. Now I just have to put them in my closet, and I also have to remove all of my summer outfits. That's how we celebrate festivals here. Anyway, before leaving, do not forget to check out Kama Ayurveda's Miraculous Beauty Fluid Ayurvedic Night Serum, which I have linked in description box down for you guys. And yeah, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. बहुत काम है अभी. Bye.